Oh, how are you
Now,
recording?
Are you?
Record.
What are you recording? How are you recording that?
Go to tools and there's a recording
Oh, is it
button
on
the
there?
bottom.
Well, you record it on there then, and I'll record it through Fraps, and we'll see what's out better.
Right. Should we bring Chris over? Or...
Well, no, because I think Chris is
fucking...
one who's making
Chris
it go
want
echo.
to eat.
I just want to check this out. So say something.
At least the echo went away.
Echo went away.
Yeah.
No, he's still in Gone Home. How about you, Andrew? Still there?
Ignorant prick.
Have any of you played Warframe?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I played it when it first came out in beta on PC, but it sort of crashed. I couldn't get into it.
Yeah, I was currently downloading the update after it installed.
Oh yeah, the updates take forever on that.
Yeah, the update was like 900 megabytes, which is small.
Buddy was moved to your channel.
Chris.
Oh, look, Chris joined us.
Oh, hello.
Echo.
Echo's back. Echo's back, baby.
Am I the one echoing?
Yes.
Yeah.
You've got your PlayStation camera, ain't you?
Yeah. How about if I not speak to it too close?
Yeah. No, it's good because it's just recording everything that's coming through it. Have you not got a mic at all? You've got SingStar mics.
4 ones.
SingStar mic would work.
They don't work.
Where's your sound coming from? Have you got it coming out your speakers?
Yeah, have your yeah, we'll have it coming out of your
Put your headphones in.
headphones.
Yeah.
Hang on. Oh, shit.
Make sure your speakers are turned off as well.
As if you think I know how to do that.
Hold on.
Can you still hear me?
Hold on.
Am I too loud? I was fanning around with my
Oh, they work.
If I turn off my speakers,
Yeah.
I don't hear you anymore. It's like I'm muting my headphones.
Yeah?
Is that better?
Oh, good.
Echo. Yeah, it's gone.
Yeah.
So
a
it's
lot
Chris.
You mug.
You're quite quiet though, Jack.
Oh, okay.
I can hear Jack quite clearly.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, hang on.
I
I've
thought that-
probably got my what's it turned down.
Because I thought I was echoing as well. So I thought it wasn't just Chris.
That's alright.
Thing was turned down. Fine now.
So where's this record to? I don't know where the file
Yeah,
goes.
exactly. I'm gonna have a look at my recording.
Well,
Back in
you
a
search
second.
our...
Brain
When we record.
meltdown. Brain
Oh, it's
meltdown.
recording.
Yes, so
Hang
we're
on,
all
I'm now
talking.
We're all
Yay.
talking
Right,
so we're
you're
going to
okay.
make
Blah,
We're
blah,
all
blah.
Yeah,
talking
blah,
about
blah,
blah.
like,
I
Oh,
think
okay,
this
okay,
magazine's going to be
Too much
brilliant
echo.
because I'm
You
awesome,
lot
blah, blah,
shut
blah.
up.
Yeah.
Right.
Best game is this.
Wow.
Is this
Echo
working?
and
Blah,
noise.
Still
blah,
play
blah.
Terry Alright.
Oh, yeah,
Salute, yes, that's right.
Are we making any sense?
Terry else sucks.
Oh,
Just going to say that over and over and over again.
Yes, really.
Revelation is
What's
definitely
over
Terry Ever sucks. I
Yeah.
can't say the bloody word.
Yeah.
Terraria.
Hey, Carl, when you
Terraria.
just start playing
Sounds so
Terraria.
posh.
Okay, now
you
lost
come up,
Terry will
'cause
say.
I can't hear you because
doing my
I'm
mid.
Confused.
Terry
Confused.
Alright. Terry Alright. Chocolate.
Oh, this is gonna go so well.
Was that test okay? Because I got a headache.